Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning personal stylist layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the personal stylist layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean and nice, but also simple, which I think is important if you're building a personal website. So you can use this layout pack for any kind of personal website that you want, and it will match it really well. And you can play around with Divi's built-in options to customize everything according to your own needs and make it look exactly the way you want to. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you will find all of the layout packs. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can simply scroll down until you come across the personal stylist layout pack. And once you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo, and this will redirect you to a live website. And over here you can explore all of the different layouts that are included within this layout, and you can see for yourself whether or not you're liking the layouts or if they're matching the needs that you have for a certain website that you're setting up without actually having to install them on your WordPress website first. So say for instance you really like this landing page and you want to use it on your WordPress website, you can simply go back, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So this will redirect you to the visual builder right away, and over here you will have three options. So you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple button. And over here we have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the personal stylist layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are included once again. And go ahead and click on the landing page and then simply click on the green button which says use this layout. And then it will ask you for an authentication and it will upload to your page and change all of the content. And as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page, and then you can get started with the visual builder. So of course you can change all of the written content that's included, but you can also play around with each and every design element's settings. So you can use Divi's efficiency features to make changes throughout the entire layout in just a few clicks. So for instance, if you want to change the look and feel of the color palette over here, you can do that. So I'm just going to demonstrate that really quick. If you open this section over here and go to the background settings, go to the background color, and over here you have the color that's being used, and you can simply find and replace it throughout the page by right-clicking, clicking on Find and Replace. And over here you can replace this color throughout the page with another one of your choice. So go ahead and select one, and then tick off the box which says Replace all font values within every option type not limited to background color, and click on Replace. So you can basically do that for each and every kind of option that you have throughout the page and just make it match with whatever you had in mind and just play around with Divi and create your website in no time. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.